Today, we will talk about how to fart whenever you want. Let's have a look at the details. You might have heard of all kinds of competitions like eating competitions, cooking competitions, drawing competitions, but have you ever come across a farting competition? This competition raises a serious question: if it is possible to fart at will and how to fart whenever you want. Let's find out. The first step is eat some fart fuel. You first need to fuel yourself right to make yourself fart. Certain foods like Brussels sprouts, beans, dairy products, beer and wine, high fiber food, carbonated drinks are some of the food items that can make you feel gassy and bloated. The second step is air swallow method. The air swallow method is the easiest way to make yourself fart. For this to work, first, sit up straight in a comfortable position and fill your mouth with air and swallow it. The amount of gas you produce depends on the amount of air you have consumed. Repeat the process until you feel bloated. The trapped gas after some time will eventually make its way to the down. The next step is anal inhale method. By letting air in and out of your ass can make you fart easily. For this, lie down on the flat ground and pull your legs towards your head. Now relax your rectum and let the air seep in slowly. Keep at it until you feel bloated and a butt bomb bubble up. The third step is yoga poses. Yoga is not only good for increasing your flexibility and improving your health condition, but it is also good to induce fart. Certain yoga poses can let you pass the air and make you feel lighter. Wind relieving pose, seated forward bend, happy baby pose are some ways to make yourself fart easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.